In Python, strings are represented by a sequence of characters enclosed in single quotes, or double quotes. For example, Python also supports triple-quoted strings, or, which can span multiple lines. For example, strings in Python are immutable, which means that once a string is created, its contents cannot be changed. However, you can create a new string based on the original string with modifications. For example, you can concatenate two strings using the plus operator. You can access individual characters in a string using indexing. The first character has an index of 0, the second has an index of 1, and so on. For example, you can also slice a string to extract a substring. Slicing is done using the syntax start, end, where start is the index of the first character to include, and end is the index of the first character to exclude. For example, Python also provides a number of built-in string methods that allow you to manipulate strings. For example, you can convert a string to uppercase using the upper method. Thanks for watching and do subscribe my channel.